5G smartphones will become massive thanks to the iPhone 12. 5th generation smartphones with support for networks will become truly massive in 2020 thanks to the new iPhone. According to sources in the Nikkei Asian Review, Apple will sell 75 to 80 million 5G-enabled iPhones by the end of 2020. Nikkei Asian Review said all 3 new 2020 flagship iPhones will support 5th generation networks. Apple set itself the goal of aggressive sales of new products, sources found out. In this regard, it is predicted that the company will ship at least 75 million new iPhones. Nikkei sources also confirmed that Qualcomm's 5G modem will be used on all new iPhones. Initially, Apple planned to use Intel modems, but the company was not satisfied with the test results. As a result, Apple entered into a truce with Qualcomm in order to equip their smartphones with modern 5G modems. Earlier, the support of 5G in all iPhones of 2020 was announced by respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. It is noteworthy that in his first forecast, he claimed that only the more expensive iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max had a 5G modem. However, he later updated the forecast, emphasizing that 5G support will appear in the less expensive 6.1-inch iPhone 12.